It's giving more of a frontal vibe than a closure vibe, and that's what we love here. I feel like it's a cute little sassy look.
I fell in love with Ashley. Down in Miami, we got nasty. I'm not ashamed, I'm not ashamed.
Okay guys, get a load of the hairline. I think we flicked it out, slayed it out, and this is a closure wig. Today I'm teaming up with Tinashe to give you a beautiful start to finish 5x5 closure install. I opted for a body wave texture, so you'll see me go in with a curling iron. I'm actually going to be using the one from EAP Heat. They were kind enough to send that one over to me, so I got a chance to play with it and test it out, and it absolutely did amazing on the curls. And then at the last minute, at first it was like a no parting, then went to a side parting, and then I ended up with the half up, half down. Very, very, very indecisive girl, but we did figure it out. You also see in the beginning I did tweeze out the hairline just a little bit to give it chef's kiss. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Check the description box for any questions you may have. They're probably answered there. Now let's get into it. Okay, love bugs, let's jump right into it. Today I'll be working with Tinashe. No stranger to this company. They definitely have some beautiful hair. They laced us with some goodies, which I'll show later in the video. So today we are rocking a closure wig. Forgive my appearance. Today I am going to be doing this beautiful install. It's going to be a closure wig. So for my closure ladies, I've been noticing that companies have been more into the closure wigs and pushing them a little bit more. I think they get it and they know that, like, you know, yes, the Instagram baddies love a good frontal. They love an install. They love to be able to go to their favorite stylist and, you know, show out. But the girlies that are at the crib, living real lives, 9-to-5s, and are not on social media, just really aren't here for it. So let me go ahead and take my scarf off and let's get to it. Now, straight off the bat, I do notice that the wig does fit snug. As you guys can see, it's not like hanging off, doesn't fit ill in the front, fits good. Don't have to worry about a wig cap showing beneath the lace because we are not wearing a wig cap. So this one is Body Wave 24 inches 5x5 lace closure, 200% density. This is what the hairline looks like. You guys see I did just kind of straighten it out so you can see it a little bit better. It was already straight. Sometimes when you kind of press it out, you can kind of get a better vibe of what it's hitting for. Because it's a 5x5, the track starts about right here. So if you wanted to do, like, say a side part, I'll recommend a curved part. And you can definitely go around like so. And this isn't perfect, but you get the drift. Or you can do a center part. Most of us have faces that are not perfectly centered. So I like to start with my nose as a guide. Kind of childish, but like literally my face is very off-centered.
My baby, I like you. My baby, I die for you. See you. You know, say yo, my baby, you know, I ride with you, my baby, I don't cover that, I die for you, I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord, gonna greet the Lord, I pray to the Lord, Fatumata Jambele, everything being safe again, everything for your Jambele, oh Jambele, oh yeah, you are not a friend of me.
Baby girl, you're so fine, I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah, ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex, dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah nah, ooh girl, nah nah. Fly me up with dreams, the only thing I need. When I'm down, lift me up with your company. There's no telling what you and me creating. We're on the same wavelength. Feel the beat tonight, something good inside. Set you free, let you lose all track of time. Come on.
Together I surrender. The sun is going down now. Been at it for a while, and I have had enough of this. I doubt that we can solve it. Been trying for so long, and I just can't ignore that.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this curling iron from EAP Heat. Sorry if I said that wrong. This is my first time using it. It looks like it goes up to 450. Super nice and pretty, and it has their logo right here. You guys have seen me use their flat irons before, so this is going to be my first time using a curling iron. I'll have it linked in the description box, and I believe this is maybe like a 1 inch, 1.5. I don't know, don't get me to lie to you guys, but I did use a heat protectant, and also I did semi-straighten it out because it's such a wavy texture. I don't want it to be like curly with like a ton of frizz. Also, I'm going to take, instead of like curling it, I'm going to use the barrel kind of like a wand curler opposed to like a curling iron.
You think I'm crazy, but I know I am. Losing your patience, I already have. Don't try to change me, I'm just the way I am. Don't try to save me, cause I can't be saved. I keep falling under all this pressure, falling under ever since I met you. Baby, I'm not good, but you know better, better. I got all these voices on repeat, singing me to sleep. Better off waking me close, keep calling each other. You might think I'm slipping in too deep. This is what I need. Better off waking me close, keep calling each other friends. Calling each other friends. Don't try to please me, not sure that you can.
Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Acted kinda innocent this morning. You don't wanna talk it out. I agree the talking feels pointless. Still it happens every night. You know that I need ya, but I'm so sick of this, not sure I can leave ya. It'd be so hard to quit, but every night that we explode, wish I could walk out that door. Hate that I need ya. Yeah. Play it cool, just keep on dancing. Soon we'll burn down into ashes, cause you keep playing with matches. Hate that I want ya. Yeah. Running out of second chances. Ooh, oh, you keep taking me for granted. Ooh, oh, cause I don't wanna do this any longer, but somehow it's too hard to walk away now. Nah, 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 nah. Light a cigarette like you know nothing. It's the price I have to pay. There's something in your text that's got me crawling. Not sure I want it any other way. You know what I mean, love? Now once you sick of this, you don't wanna live.
Okay, so we're done with this look. But I think I want to do a half a pep down. Kind of indecisive today.
Ooh, oh, you keep taking me for granted. Ooh, oh, cause I don't wanna do this any longer, but somehow it's too hard to walk away now. Running out of second chances. Ooh, oh, you keep taking me for granted. Ooh, oh.
Okay, I think we're done with this look. I got this little cute bobby pin in my stash. It's like rhinestones. I know I have a couple of these, but I could only find one But I love the look and vibe, so I'm going with it. Now this one again came from Tinashe Hair. It's 200% density, 24-inch body wave lace wig, 5x5 closure. Now if you don't want to go in and curl the hair, you don't have to. Because it's long and full, I would highly recommend that you use like flexi rods or pin curls to preserve your curl. But as you guys can see, it came out super beautiful. Now I personally went in and I tweezed out the hairline, and I think it was a great idea. It's giving more of a frontal vibe than a closure vibe, and that's what we love here. I feel like it's a cute little sassy look with the hairpin. I'm gonna go in and like sleek it out and doll it up a little bit more in just a moment, but I wanted to come in before I forgot and show you the end result. Always put a piece of hair and wrap it around. Now one thing I will say, because the wig is so full, you could go in, because it's full but it's a closure wig, you only have 5x5 parting space. I would highly recommend you go in and add a bundle, half a bundle, or just a little piece of hair in there just to make this part fuller. But with the curl, with the vibe, I think it looks okay. Also, before we head out, they did provide a cute little goodie bag. It's a satin bag with their logo on it, and then inside you have your mink lashes, navy blue bonnet, a purple edge brush, wig caps, and then a rat tail comb, straw comb. I like it. It's like a straw, I guess it's like a straw material. Really cute. It gives like that natural like aesthetic vibe. And then just a set of dolphin clips in the color purple, which matches the edge brush. You know I love a good matchy moment. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. Be sure to check out Tinashe. I have a link to this wig in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!